Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a global header and footer for your funnel pages in GoHighLevel. This is incredibly useful because once you set it up, any changes you make to your global header or footer will automatically update across all your funnel pages, saving you tons of time and ensuring consistency throughout your site. Let's start by heading over to the GoHighLevel login page and signing in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to access the website pages section. Look for the left navigation panel and click on the item labeled Sites. This is where all your website and funnel management happens. Now here's an important tip. While you could use an existing website, working with a clean slate is a much better option when creating global elements like headers and footers, so go ahead and click on the button named New Website in the upper right corner of your screen. You'll be presented with two options, from blank or from template. Since we're just creating a global element, click on blank template and input a name for your website. Next, we need to add a new page. Click on the option named Add New Page. Here you'll input the name of the page. Optionally, you can add URL paths and import ClickFunnels URLs if needed, but for our purposes, just naming the page is fine. After naming your page, click on Create New Page. Once your page is created, it will appear in your list. Click on Edit to open the page editor. This is where the magic happens. You'll be directed to the page editor, and from the left menu panel, this is where you'll add all your elements. Look for the menu named Sections, and drag one full-width element onto your page. This full-width section will serve as the foundation for your global header or footer. Once the full-width element is in place, hover your cursor over the green highlighted section. On the left side, you'll see several menu options under the gear icon. This is crucial. Click on the Save Section button. A pop-up menu will appear asking you to fill in necessary fields such as section name and how you want this element to be saved. Make sure to select Global Section from the options. This is what makes your header or footer reusable across all your pages. Then click Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created a global section that can now be used as a header or footer across all your funnel pages in GoHighLevel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.